Today at Blade Ops, we are checking out something pretty exciting. This is the Gerber Doubledown Folding Machete. This one they announced at SHOT Show, I believe about a couple years ago, and they've been working on a pretty epic piece. It looks pretty similar to a big old bally song, but it's actually a machete. Nice and durable, made for chopping, cutting, batoning. Uses a nice, about a 7-inch 420 HC blade, so it's nice and hard and durable. It's about 15.1 inches overall, weighing at a nice 18 ounces. I'll show you kind of how it works. So you've got your little latch on here, and what they call, it's a patent pending 4-lock system. So you've got these little switches kind of on both sides. You pinch them, it kind of releases. And I find it the easiest way is to do it about halfway, flip it over while still pinching those buttons all the way to the closing position. And this switch locks on either open or closed. Sits in kind of like a little groove right there. Clicks in there, nice and solid. Perfect for any type of backpack carry. It slides in a nice little belt carry sheath, or strap it on the back of your backpack. Pretty sweet piece. So make sure to get yours today at Blade Ops.